AI-powered tools to transform your social media content. Anybody who sells products online knows that social media marketing is essential, not optional. You've got to do whatever you can to market your Etsy shop or website, and using Instagram or Pinterest or Facebook or TikTok can help you do it. And the challenge is that creating social media content is time consuming. Staying active on any platform means being consistent with your content and posting times. I can help you by making it easy to create reusable templates and shortcutting the entire creation process from A to Z. Here's what you need to know, including tips about which AI tools to use and how to use them. How can you use AI to create social media content? Before we reveal our favorite AI tools for social media content, let's talk about some ways you can use AI to improve your social media content. First and foremost, you can use AI to create images for social media. Forget about spending hours creating a perfectly designed image or fussing around with the size of images to make sure you've got the right dimensions for Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. AI can help with all those things. Second, you can use AI to pull quotes or important points from blog posts or even public domain content, saving you the time of poring over your existing content to find what you need. Finally, you can use AI tools to help you craft compelling headlines for social media ads and to suggest keywords to target. This is work that can take a lot of time, so it's helpful to have assistance to speed things up. Best AI tools for social media content. Here are some of my favorite AI tools for social media content. Canva. Anyone who's bought my products or read this blog knows how much I love Canva. I loved it before there was an AI component, but now I adore it even more. Canva's Magic Studio makes it easy to create social media posts with tools for writing content, creating images, and resizing them to ensure that they fit each social media platform's specifications. Pictory. If you want to add videos to your social media library, Pictory can help you do it quickly and easily, even if you don't have any experience as a videographer. You give it the text you want to use, and it will transform it into a professional-looking video with all the bells and whistles. You can also edit existing videos with text prompts. Supermeme.ai. Memes continue to be popular on social media. There were tools available to make them before I was readily available, but with Supermeme.ai, you can create memes with the potential to go viral with just a few clicks. Best of all, you can even use Supermeme.ai to transform text into GIFs if that's what you prefer. As a user, you'll get access to more than 1,000 meme templates. Buffer's AI Assistant. You already know Buffer as a social media management tool that makes it easy to keep all your social media accounts active and relevant. Their newish AI assistant adds even more functionality to the mix. You can give it information about your target audience and products, and it will create customized social media posts for you. You can even use it to repurpose old content like blog posts or videos into something new and relevant. Narrato AI Content Genie. What if you could inject some real magic into social media content creation? You can do exactly that with Narrato AI Content Genie. Give this tool access to your website's URL, and it will auto-generate up to 25 new pieces of social media content and blogs every week. While you may need to do some light tweaking, this is the closest thing to true social media automation. QUUU. Despite the weird spelling, Q is a pretty cool tool. It's designed specifically to take the guesswork and time out of social media content curation. Instead of spending hours scouring for content to share with your followers, you can sit back and relax while Q does the work for you. Oh, and it can also create new content. Benefits of using AI to up your social media game. Now that you've got our favorite AI tools for social media, here are some of the very impressive benefits of using AI to create content for all your social media accounts. You won't have to spend hours of valuable time brainstorming and creating social media content. With the right AI tools, you can create a week's worth of posts in just an hour or two, including time to schedule them. That means you'll have more time to spend with your family and friends. You can do a better job of reaching your target audience. AI tools can drill down on who's reading your content and help you tailor new posts to what they most want to see. Ultimately, that means more engagement and better results for you. AI tools can inspire your creativity. There are plenty of times when I've asked AI for ideas and ended up using something of my own that was inspired by what AI gave me. In other words, it's like having a built in creative partner to help you break through any blocks and come up with your very best ideas. You can also use AI to interpret your social media traffic and engagement to refine your posts and attract a bigger audience. When you're in business for yourself, you have to wear a lot of hats. But the good news is that AI can take some of them off your hands. You can see now, or at least I hope you can, how using AI tools can totally transform your social media content. You'll have targeted content designed to appeal to your customers and far more free time on your hands to do other things. Do you want to learn how AI tools can transform your digital products? Check out AI Printable Automation to get everything you need.